Hi, hello and welcome to BK's Tech Stack. I am BK. Today, we are going to learn about unlocking advanced LLM applications, CoT, self-consistency, ToT.
In the fast-evolving world of AI, building powerful LLM applications requires mastering advanced prompting techniques. We're going to explore how chain of thought, self-consistency, and tree of thoughts can significantly boost your AI's reasoning. This means you'll gain practical skills to make your LLMs smarter and more reliable for real-world scenarios.
In practice, CoT prompting is like asking your AI to show its work. Instead of just giving an answer, it breaks down a complex problem into a sequence of intermediate reasoning steps. This technique is a game changer for tasks requiring logical thought, like math or common sense problems. You'd use this when you need an LLM to not just be right, but to explain how it got there, making its solutions more transparent and trustworthy. When dealing with arithmetic problems, CoT prompting helps LLMs tackle them effectively. Instead of a direct numerical answer, the model explains its calculation process, much like a student showing their work on a math test. Companies use this for robust data analysis or automated report generation, where accuracy and explainability are crucial. This means you get not just the right number, but confidence in how it was derived. CoT prompting isn't just for numbers, it's fantastic for common sense and symbolic reasoning. For common sense, it helps AI infer logical outcomes from everyday scenarios, useful in customer service chatbots understanding nuances. In symbolic reasoning, it allows LLMs to follow logical deductions, vital for code generation or formal proofs. You'd use this to build AIs that can think more like humans, making them more adaptable and intelligent across diverse applications. To supercharge CoT, we often combine it with other techniques. Few-shot CoT gives your AI illustrative reasoning examples, perfect for specific domain tasks. Zero-shot CoT is surprisingly powerful. Simply telling the AI to think step by step can unlock better reasoning without any examples. For large-scale applications, AutoCoT automates this process entirely, saving significant manual effort. In practice, this means your team can achieve better reasoning outcomes with less overhead, making LLMs more accessible and efficient for complex problems. Self-consistency is like getting multiple expert opinions from your AI. Instead of relying on a single reasoning path, you ask the model the same question several times, allowing it to explore different approaches. Then you pick the answer that appears most frequently or consistently across its various thoughts. This technique is vital for tasks where reliability is paramount, like medical diagnosis support systems, ensuring a more dependable and less biased outcome. Here's a practical scenario for self-consistency: classifying emails. If your AI is flagging an email as a major security vulnerability, you want to be certain. By using self-consistency, the model processes that email multiple times, exploring various classification angles. If the majority of those runs classify it as critical, you can trust that result more. Companies use this in mission-critical systems where false positives or negatives are costly, ensuring higher confidence in automated decisions. The real-world benefits of self-consistency are profound. First, you get improved accuracy as the model explores more solutions, increasing the chance of hitting the right one. Second, it helps reduce bias by bringing in diverse viewpoints, which is critical for fairness in AI applications. Finally, it fosters a form of critical thinking within the AI, pushing it to think harder before settling on an answer. You'd implement this to build AIs that are not only accurate, but also fair and capable of complex, nuanced decision-making. Tree of Thoughts takes AI reasoning to the next level by moving beyond a linear chain. It allows the LLM to branch out its thinking, exploring multiple solution paths in parallel, much like a human strategizing. This deliberate planning and exploration mean the AI can backtrack if a path isn't working, making global choices instead of just local ones. Teams use this for highly complex multi-stage problems where trial and error and strategic foresight are essential, like scientific discovery or complex game playing. A perfect example for Tree of Thoughts is the Reach 24 game, where you combine numbers with operations to hit a target. An AI using ToT can systematically try combinations, explore branches like 4 plus 9 versus 10 minus 4, and if a path doesn't lead to 24, it can intelligently backtrack to a previous decision point. This is incredibly useful for optimization problems or constraint satisfaction tasks, where you need to explore many permutations efficiently. You deploy this when the problem space is large and requires strategic exploration, not just linear deduction.
Choosing between CoT and ToT depends on your problem. CoT is your go-to for straightforward, sequential reasoning, where a linear step-by-step breakdown is sufficient. Think of it as following a recipe. ToT, however, is for when the recipe itself needs to be discovered through exploration. It allows your AI to branch out, evaluate different options, and even backtrack. So if your problem needs a strategic plan with potential detours, ToT is the stronger choice for your LLM applications, offering more comprehensive solutions.
One powerful application of prompt engineering is generating synthetic data. Instead of laboriously crafting training examples, you can simply tell an LLM to create them. For instance, instructing it to produce sentiment analysis examples, or even complex context query answer pairs for RAG systems. This accelerates development significantly, especially when real-world data is scarce or expensive to annotate. Your team can rapidly prototype and train models, reducing time to market for new features and applications.
When working with LLMs in a real-world stack, LangChain becomes your best friend. It provides the technical plumbing to manage and structure your prompts effectively. A prompt in LangChain isn't just a simple query. It's a carefully crafted set of instructions that tells the language model exactly what to do and how to behave. In practice, this means you can consistently get relevant and coherent outputs, crucial for building reliable AI assistants or content generation tools. LangChain's prompt templates are like blueprints for your AI queries. They allow you to define a structure with placeholders, so you can dynamically insert variables without rewriting the whole prompt. Imagine a weather app. Instead of a new prompt for every city, you use one template. What is the weather in city? This approach makes your LLM integrations scalable and maintainable, saving countless hours of manual prompt crafting, which is incredibly valuable for building flexible applications.
For conversational AI, LangChain offers chat prompt templates. These are essential because chat models don't just get a single prompt, they process a sequence of messages, each with a role: system, human, or AI. With chat prompt template.from messages, you can precisely define this multi-turn dialogue, ensuring the AI understands the context and its persona. This is critical for building sophisticated chatbots or virtual assistants that can maintain coherent and context-aware conversations, mimicking natural human interaction. Sometimes off-the-shelf templates just don't cut it. That's where custom prompt templates in LangChain come in. If you need a very specific input structure or unique validation, you can build your own. For example, to generate a book summary just from a title, you'd create a custom template that knows exactly how to handle that input. This flexibility is key for niche applications or highly specialized AI tasks, giving your team ultimate control over how the LLM interprets and responds to inputs.
When you need more than simple variable substitution, Jinja 2 integration in LangChain templates is incredibly powerful. Jinja 2 allows you to embed complex logic, loops, conditionals, and filters directly into your prompts. This is invaluable for generating highly dynamic content like personalized marketing emails or automated reports based on varying datasets. For instance, generating a daily sales report that changes structure based on sales performance. This means your LLMs can produce truly adaptive and sophisticated outputs far beyond static responses.
Python first strings are the default and often simplest way to build prompts in LangChain. They are incredibly concise and readable, letting you embed variables and even perform inline calculations directly within your prompt text. Think of them as a straightforward way to inject dynamic data into your instructions for the AI. This is perfect for real-time applications, like displaying updated inventory stock in a supply chain prompt. Your team can quickly construct clear, dynamic prompts without unnecessary complexity.
To craft truly sophisticated conversational agents, LangChain gives you specific message prompt template types. You have dedicated templates for AI messages, system instructions, and human inputs, which ensure the model correctly interprets the origin and intent of each part of the dialogue. For highly dynamic conversations, Messages Placeholder is a lifesaver, allowing you to inject entire lists of messages. This precision enables your team to build AI systems with highly nuanced personas and context management, critical for complex interactive applications.
So, what are the big takeaways? Chain of thought is your go-to for making AI explain its thinking, crucial for transparency. Self-consistency ensures your AI's answers are reliable by getting multiple opinions from itself. Tree of thoughts empowers strategic problem-solving, letting the AI plan and explore. And finally, LangChain's templates are your toolkit for building these advanced prompts efficiently. Mastering these techniques will elevate your LLM applications from basic responses to intelligent, robust solutions, ready for any challenge your business faces.
Congratulations! You just learned presentation topic. Now it's your turn to apply these skills. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're building. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe to BK'sTechStack for more weekly tutorials, and share this with someone who needs it. Visit www.BK'sTechStack.com for free resources, exclusive tips, and our community. Next video, we're diving deeper. Don't miss it.